pesto alla Genovese is probably one of the most beloved Italian pesto varieties. And the best thing is, it is super easy to make. As always with Italian food, simplicity is key. Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to make an absolutely outstanding basil pesto. So let's start. If you have a blender, this pesto is done in like 2 minutes. But you can certainly also use a pestle and mortar, as this will give you a little superior taste. But I'm lazy, so I'm not gonna do it today. Let's start by putting all of the ingredients in the blender. That would be 2 small cloves of garlic that I crushed in my garlic press, 50 grams of fresh basil from my garden, 25 grams of pine nuts, but you can use whatever kind of nuts you like, 25 grams of parmesan cheese, about 5 to 10 cracks of black pepper, some salt, and lastly, about 100 milliliters of extra virgin olive oil. Just try not to use one that is too bitter. An oil that is mild in flavor is perfect for this dish. Now we blend everything for about 30 to 45 seconds, or until it reaches the desired consistency. Try to use the blender in a stop and go motion, because after a while the heat coming from the spinning blades will make the pesto turn bitter. Once we reach the desired consistency, we can give our beautiful pesto a little taste. Adjust the seasoning as necessary, and by the way, please don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video so far, so it spreads to more people. Thank you. I just poured this pesto into a bowl, because I'm going to use it right away. But you could also fill it into some sterilized jars and keep it in your fridge for about 3 to 6 months. Pro tip, what also works really well is freezing some of the pesto in ice cube forms. This way it lasts even longer, and freezing also preserves the color of the basil a little bit better. And that's everything you need to know to make this amazing pesto yourself. Thanks for watching, bye bye.